Welcome everyone. Question on electrolytic conduction. The relationship between equivalent conductance and molar conductance for the KNO3 is. Choices are A. Equivalent conductance is equal to molar conductance by 2. B. Equivalent conductance is equal to molar conductance by 4. C. Equivalent conductance is equal to molar conductance. D. Equivalent conductance is equal to 2 into molar conductance. Answer is C. Equivalent conductance is equal to molar conductance. Explanation we will see in the next slide. We know that equivalent conductance is equal to molar conductance by Z, where Z is number of cations into charge on cations or number of anions into charge on anions. Dissociation of KNO3 produces 1 K plus ion and 1 NO3 minus ion. Therefore, equivalent conductance is equal to molar conductance by 1 for 1 K plus ion into 1, because the charge of the K plus ion is plus 1, or equivalent conductance is equal to molar conductance. Thank you for watching this video.